want to try it too. And I am a very picky eater.
She's never tried this before, so we'll see if she likes it.
It's pretty good.
How many times have I asked you to try this salad? Really? You're gonna do it on video? There you have it.
It's good.
Even the kids like it. Hello friends, this is Gloria with People First Realty Group. And first of all, we are so close to the 4th of July and all of our kids are at home. So I know that we're all looking for things that we can do to make our dinners and lunches and everything else as easy as possible. So today I'm going to show you how to make this super cool and delicious cucumber salad. I learned this while I was overseas in Germany and it is one of my favorites. So first of all, you just need one cucumber. I use the soft skin cucumber. You can peel it or not. Just one cucumber. Then I have a 1/4 cup of sour cream, very simple. 2 tablespoons of vinegar, which you actually just mix in. Now for the spices, it's 1/2 teaspoon of dill, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper if you like it spicy. If not, you can just take that out. Some salt to taste, as well as a teaspoon of sugar. I use Splenda because of diabetic purposes, but it tastes fine for me. I think most people, once you have it, you get used to it. Super easy. You just mix them together in the sour cream. You add the vinegar. The vinegar can be like a cider, but I just use a plain white vinegar. I don't like the flavor of others. That's just gives it the tangy flavor that I'm looking for. The sugar and the sour cream and the vinegar with the dill just give it that exact little bit of tangy, a little bit of sweet. So once you mix everything together, super simple, just put on the cucumber and let it sit. You can also add some green onions in here, just a little bit, give it the exact right amount of flavor. You can, of course, I had this pre-mixed, but you can just put it all in a bowl. And it doesn't seem like it's a lot of dressing, but once you let it sit, the cucumber also lets go of some of the juices. It is delicious. So try it, let me know what you think. And since it is summer and 4th of July, check out our recipe for my favorite fruit salad, which is actually ambrosia salad. So come back and see us. It should be up next. And we'll talk to you soon. This is Gloria Miller with People First Realty Group. Have a great summer and happy 4th of July.